cut the record. Yes. Welcome to chapter test on polynomials, paper discussions of selected questions. So the very important key formula for this is like if you have ax square bx ax square plus bx plus c as the standard form of the polynomial, correct? Ax square plus bx plus c as the standard form of the polynomial, and alpha beta are the zeros, correct? Then the same polynomial can be rewritten as what? Alpha plus beta is, of course, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a,
Minus b by a
and alpha into beta is equal to c by a,
by a.
and the same ax square plus bx plus c can be rewritten as a common, right? A common, and then it can be written as what? X square
Plus bx
minus
plus
alpha plus
uh,
beta,
yes,
isn't it? My square
yes,
minus alpha plus beta bracket x plus alpha beta.
yes.
True. So, um, so remembering any of these formulas will help us to solve the upcoming sums. So now, what is alpha plus beta? What is a over here in this given sum? A is equal to 2. Yes, Adiraj, you can help me with A, B, C. B is how much?
B is equal to 8
Very good. And what about C?
minus 8.
Yes. So now that we know this, and we see the options what they want, and all these options are dealing with alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So what we do is we recollect this formula that alpha plus beta is actually what? Minus b by a, right?
Yes, sir.
And therefore we write minus b is 8, a is 2. So how much that becomes? Minus 4. What about alpha into beta?
Alpha into beta is equal to c by a
Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, and that is equal to
minus 8
c is
upon
minus
2.
8, a is how much? 2, and that
2.
becomes minus 4. So here we see that alpha plus beta is minus 4 and alpha into beta is minus 4. So the sum and the product both are coming equal. Therefore, we can select that answer is nothing but, what is the answer? The answer is nothing
Alpha plus
but,
beta is equal to alpha into.
both are coming equal, right?
Yes.
So the answer is nothing but answer is A. Why answer should be A? Because both are coming equal. Alpha plus beta is coming equal to alpha into beta. Is this satisfactory?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, question next is zero of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 25x plus 156 r. So we need to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. There are many ways of finding the zeros. And one of the ways of zeros is we use factorization method. Is factorization possible?
हाँ सर. सर पर इधर 156 और वो 25 है तो कैसे होगा?
You think? Is there a factor available? Yes. What could be the factors?
Sir, अभी
So
8 into
20 into 5 becomes
100.
100. So is there a options of the factors? Think about that.
Sir, 15 into 10 is 150. और 156 वाला कुछ नहीं आता.
What are the other option? Or what is
Sir,
the other
5.
option?
Sir, एक मिनट.
What is the other option? Hmm?
Just 1 second.
हाँ.
एक मिनट सर.
अरे use x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. I don't know alpha, I don't know beta, but from here we can see that alpha plus beta is 25. Alpha plus beta is minus 25, correct? Because there is in between it is minus alpha plus beta, but it is plus 25. So alpha plus beta is minus 25. Do you agree with it by comparing?
Yes, sir.
And alpha into beta is what?
156.
That is positive, right?
Yes.
How did you get this? You compared it, right?
Yes.
Compare question with formula. Correct? This is how we got, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you only tell me alpha into beta is product. And what is alpha and beta? Alpha and beta are the two zeros, right?
Yes.
That is the two zeros which they are talking about, right?
Yes.
So the zeros that they are talking about and what we have are actually we need to just compare things. Hey, if alpha and beta is product, so if product is positive, that means it can lead to what options? Two options, right? What are the options? Either
Sir.
it can be both positive,
Yes. Or both negative.
both negative, correct?
Yes, sir.
Alpha plus beta is negative. So alpha plus beta is negative. So from this, what are the two options you can get?
One positive and one negative.
And both negative also, right? Both
Yes.
positive cannot happen, right?
Yes.
Here it can be one positive and one negative, right?
Yes.
If both are negative, then also negative. What do you think? Are you thinking?
Yes, sir.
Alpha and beta both are positive, then product is positive. Alpha, beta both are negative, negative into negative is positive. So these are the two options available. Addition. Addition of the zeros can be negative if one is more negative than the other. That is, one is positive, another is negative. So negative plus positive, negative is larger, therefore it came negative. Or both can be negative, therefore it is negative. So which is a common option?
Both negative.
Yes, and therefore that is the answer. Because that satisfies both. So this is common between this and this. Now you understand how to tackle these problems.
Yes, sir.
Therefore the option is, what is the answer? Answer is
Uh, B, both negative.
B. Answer is B, both negative. Are you convinced with the answer?
What, sir?
Are you convinced with the answer?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's take the next. Now you're getting a grip of the problems. If the sum of the zeros of the polynomial px p square minus 2 23, p square minus 23, x square minus 2x minus 12 is 1. Then p takes the values. What values? Sum of the zeros. They have given you one of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is 1. Can you see? Sum of the zeros is 1.
Yes, sir.
So again, let us compare. So like normally whenever these questions are asked, we first jot down A. A is how much? Is it already in the
A.
standard form?
Yes, sir.
Can I say A is p square minus 23?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me B and C.
Sir, B is equal to 2, minus 2,
Minus 2. Very good. Thank you. Give me C.
minus 12.
Okay. So A is p square minus 23, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to minus 12. And therefore, sum of the zeros. So alpha, beta are the zeros.
Yes, sir.
Alpha, comma, beta are the two zeros. Okay. Now, therefore, sum. What is alpha plus beta?
Alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A.
Yep. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And how much is minus b by a as per the information that we have got? So minus b minus and b is minus 2 and a is p square minus 23, right?
Yes, sir.
But they have given you already what they have given. They have
The
given
zero.
alpha plus beta given sum of zeros, right? They mentioned it like
Yes.
this only, na? Sum of zeros करके. So therefore, sum of zeros is how much?
1.
Yes, sum of zeros is equal to 1. Yes. But sum of zeros is again alpha plus beta, isn't it?
Yes.
So, but alpha plus beta is already from the equation given from ABC, we got this. That means these two are equal.
Yes, sir.
Can we say that minus minus is plus 2 and this is 2 upon p square minus 23. And this is sum of the zero alpha plus beta is equal to 1. This is also alpha plus beta. This is also alpha plus beta. So left hand sides are same. Therefore, the right hand sides are equal. Can I say therefore alpha plus beta is equal to how much?
1.
Hey, both.
Sir, both.
दोनों है ना. टू
Sir, 1.
अपॉन पी स्क्वायर माइनस 23 भी है और 1 भी है.
According to question 1
तो
है.
now cross multiply. How will you find the answer? Na? You take it this like, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, what do you look at? 2 is equal
2
to,
is equal to p square minus 2, 3. 23.
yes, 2 is equal to p square minus 23. So 23 will bring it on the other side, right?
P square is equal to 25.
So either you can always swap, right? Left side you can make it right, right you can make it left. Therefore, p square is equal to 25. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, once p square is equal to 25, what is the next step you'll do?
Um, P is equal to root 25.
Yes, whenever you take square root, there will be plus as well as minus. Adiraj, there will be
Yes,
plus
sir.
as well as minus. Both have to be taken. In this entire chapter of quadratic, whenever you take square root, positive and negative, both possibility is there.
Yes, sir.
So p is plus 5 as well as minus 5. So even if they give, sometimes what will do, they'll give an answer. Only plus 5, only minus 5, and then plus minus 5. You should not get confused. Said, no, don't confuse me. I take a square root. I take a square root, then plus and minus both will be there. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding how we solve the problem?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, I asked you, and you made a right choice. What is the right choice we made? That we'll have a paper discussion. Otherwise, you can just correct the paper and give you, and you may just see it, or you may not see it, or you may not see it in detail. Okay, sir ने check किया है. Okay, ठीक है. But now, are you understanding how to do the problems? So
Yes,
similar
sir.
problems when it comes, will you be able to do it and will not make mistake, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is very important. That we learn from mistakes. We learn directly and not commit mistakes. And sometimes we make mistakes, but learn from our mistakes. Either of the way, we have to learn.
Yes.
Now comes a little tricky problem. Adiraj, ready for tricky problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How will you do this tricky problem? Hmm? Okay. Again, coming back to the information. So here they are already using something called as C. Is C in the same position of C?
Yes, sir.
Ax square bx plus C. So C is in the position of C, so therefore no problem. Okay. Then they're saying alpha beta are the zeros, and there is alpha minus beta equal to 3. All these things are there. Okay. So now how will you start the problem? Tell me.
Sir, alpha plus beta is equal to
First step, step one. What is step one? A is equal to,
A is
should
equal
not
to
forget the
1.
steps, right? Okay. What is A?
1.
1. What is B?
5.
Very good. What is C?
C.
And we are lucky that C is C only.
Hmm.
Correct. Now, alpha beta are the zeros, right?
Yes,
Who's
sir.
saying?
That is
This
given
time
in the
question
question.
itself is saying, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the next step?
Alpha plus beta.
Yes. So from this information, we get the two things, two equations, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and that is b is how much? 5. A is how much? 1. Therefore, how much?
Minus 5.
What about alpha into beta?
C by A
Hmm.
is equal to C.
Okay.
C.
So we have these equations with us. And we say these are our equations.
Yes, sir.
There's equation 1. Then we have got equation 2. Also, one more thing is given.
A
Alpha
minus
minus beta is equal to
3.
3. So this is our equation 3. Like given thing. Now how will you do it? What is the aim?
To
C
find
equal to
C.
how much? But C equal to how much? For that we require alpha beta, na? C is equal to alpha into beta. So we need to know alpha and beta. So can we do
Sir,
1 plus 3?
yes, sir.
So this is like our pair of linear equations, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What method? Substitution, elimination, which method?
Sir,
Any of
substitution
the
में
two.
guys.
Substitution be okay, elimination is also okay. Na? This plus beta, there is minus
Yes.
beta. Then what to
So
do?
minus. So minus
इधर ऐड कर दो ना.
alpha, alpha is equal to 3 plus
अरे
beta.
1 plus 3.
हाँ, yes.
तो बीटा गेट्स कैंसल ना.
Yes.
लिख के दिखाओ.
नहीं नहीं सर समझा.
अल्फा प्लस बीटा alpha plus beta is equal to -5. Alpha minus beta is equal to 3. So now when you add them, what will happen? Add.
सर दोनों का सर बी भी कट जाएगा मतलब बीटा
Yes.
बीटा कट
And
जाएगा.
what do you get? 2 alpha.
2 अल्फा इज इक्वल टू
Minus
-2.
5 plus 3. Yeah, minus 5 plus 3.
हाँ सर -2.
Alpha कितना?
1 -1.
-1. Huh? Don't make the
हाँ सर
mistake.
माइनस.
Don't forget the minus.
यस सर.
Correct? So what is the next?
यस
What is the next step, boss?
सर वो -1 को 1
If
में
alpha
अप्लाई कर
is
दो.
equal to minus. Now, which equation you want to substitute? Any one of the equation you can substitute to make it right, which is easy
सर
for
ये
you.
तो इक्वेशन 4 हो गया.
हाँ, equation 4, but which where you will substitute? Substitute value of
इन
alpha where?
इन 1 एंड ऑल्सो इन 3 वी कैन डू इट.
Anyone, right?
यस सर
Substitute
1 और 3 में इजी है.
alpha equal to -1 in the whichever is the easy equations which we have from where we got alpha actually is any one we can do. So alpha equal to -1, we can substitute where in 1. So
सर
that
एक सेकंड.
becomes -1 plus beta is equal to -5.
यस सर.
Yes. Therefore, beta is equal to how much?
बीटा इज इक्वल टू 6, सॉरी 5.
Okay, it is
-5.
already -5. So -5 plus 1.
-4.
Uh,
सर अगर यही -1 की वैल्यू हम लोग अगर थर्ड में पुट करेंगे.
उधर से भी सेम ही आंसर आएगा. डू इट.
हाँ सर
So
अगर
alpha
माइनस.
minus beta is -3. Okay.
हाँ.
So alpha is -1. Okay. So -1 उस तरफ गया तो becomes +1. So 3 plus 1, 4. And this negative goes on the other side, becomes -4.
यस सर.
Correct?
यस.
You have to be good in it. That's why there's not be a problem. Now alpha equal to -1, beta equal to -4, but C is equal to how much? Therefore, C is equal to,
अल्फा इंटू बीटा.
and alpha is -1. Correct?
सी इज इक्वल टू 4.
And beta is equal to 4. -4. Beta equal to -4. So -1 into -4 is +4. So what will we do?
सर 4 आंसर है सी का वैल्यू.
So answer is, what is the answer?
4 + 4.
Answer is C, right?
यस सर.
That is 4. Great. Proceeding ahead. If the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are
सर
not equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where c is not equal to 0, are equal. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial are equal, when it is that the zeros of the quadratic polynomial are equal, when you can have equal.
सर
So
जब ऑपोजिट सॉरी सेम.
remembering the condition, of course, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Now, Can you apply the logic? We are saying we want the zeros to be equal. So if zeros are equal, what will happen?
If zeros are equal, then
Hmm?
एक मिनट सर.
Yes. Zeros are equal means what?
Sir, alpha is equal to beta.
Yes. So then what? What will happen? When is that possible?
Sir, when all the A, B, C are 1 and all the numbers are positive.
Hmm?
All the numbers are positive and are 1.
So this will become like 2 alpha is equal to minus b by a. And this will become like
Sir,
alpha
2 alpha
square.
minus b by a कैसे होगा?
I think alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Zeros are equal, then alpha and beta are
हाँ
equal.
हाँ.
So alpha plus
Understood.
alpha,
Understood.
2 alpha, and this will be alpha into alpha, alpha square.
Understood. Understood.
Correct?
हाँ sir.
And then alpha will be equal to how much?
Alpha is equal to b
Minus
upon
b
2a
by 2a.
minus b by 2a.
What we can do? We can only just play with these things, right? So minus
Yes.
b by 2a इसको इधर put करेंगे. तो फिर क्या आना चाहिए?
Minus b upon 2a square is equal to c upon a.
Minus full square is equal to
c upon a.
c by a. So what is the next step? So that negative will go away. So it
Yes
will
sir.
be only b
b
square.
square. B square upon 4a square.
Yes. So 4 will go, a will go. So b square equal to how much?
B square is equal to
B square should be equal to 4ac.
हाँ बराबर सर 4ac. ओ ए कट रहा है.
And if it is b square, then it will be always positive, right?
Yes sir.
Square, na? Square is always positive.
Yes.
So what will happen then? And what should be a and c?
Sir, both should be positive.
Or both should be
Both should be positive or having opposite signs.
either both should be positive or both should be
Negative.
negative. Then only it will be positive, na? Product of two numbers, both positive, then also positive, both negative, then also positive, right?
Yes.
Do you agree with that?
Yes sir.
So always positive. And when it can be always positive? So A, C, both positive, A, C, both negative. That means A and C should have what sign? Same
Negative.
sign.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
This can be positive when A, C, both positive. Are you getting? A and C both positive, A and C both negative.
Yes, sir.
So that means if both positive, that means they are same sign, both negative, that means they are same. So final answer will be what? What will be the best answer?
B.
Yes, answer will be C. And why answer will be C? So that is the case when both C and A will both A and C and A will both have same sign, right?
Yes, sir.
They have same sign, but both positive or both negative. Whatever is the sign of C, same sign of C. Okay. Go for the next.
Value of k is such that a quadratic polynomial x square minus k plus 6x plus 2 into k plus 1 has the sum of zeros as half of their product is. सर तो इसमें अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज k प्लस 6 और अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज 2 इंटू 2k प्लस 1.
Yeah. So step number one. What is step number one always? What is A?
A is equal to 1.
What? A is 1. What is B?
B is equal to k प्लस 6.
Sure.
सर उसके वो ब्रैकेट में
Minus
जाएगा और
K
उसके
plus
बाद.
6.
हाँ सर.
You said only K plus 6.
सर वही तो बोल
Don't
रहा था.
forget the
ब्रैकेट के
minus.
बाहर. ब्रैकेट के बाहर
Don't
माइनस
forget
है.
the minus. Minus miss, then the entire sum may go wrong. What about C?
2 इंटू 2k प्लस 1.
Okay. What next step we'll do?
अल्फा
With
प्लस
alpha
बीटा
plus
इज इक्वल टू
beta.
माइनस b बाई a.
They're giving a condition on sum of zeros and product of zeros, na?
यस.
So alpha beta are the zeros, right?
यस सर.
Yes. How much is that? Minus is already there. There is a minus. There is a K plus 6
सर k प्लस 6 अपॉन 1 इज इक्वल टू k प्लस 6.
is equal to K plus 6.
यस सर.
Okay. What is alpha into beta?
सर अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल टू c बाई a.
How much is that?
दैट इज 2k अपॉन 1k.
C is 2K plus 1 upon 1. Na?
यस
That
सर.
will be that much only.
2k प्लस 1 अपॉन 1.
What is the condition they are giving? They
सर
give
कि
some condition.
the sum of zeros is equal to half of their product.
Oh, yes. This is what you understand, right? So what is the
Yes, sir. K
condition?
plus k plus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into means k plus 6 is equal to 2k plus 1.
Yes. Let's get the condition. So what is the condition? We make it black. Okay, condition. So the condition is sum is equal to half of the product.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sum is equal to
1/2
half
product.
the product. So sum equal to half the product. So what is the next? So alpha plus beta is equal to
K plus 6 up is equal to 1/2 into 2, 2k upon 1.
okay. So what is alpha plus beta k plus 6? Alpha into beta 2.
2k upon 1.
What is next? This two gets cancelled. So therefore,
K
it
plus
is
6
2
is
k
equal to
plus
2k.
6 is equal to 2k plus 1, right?
Yes. Yes.
Can you rearrange the terms?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2k minus k. Sorry. K minus 2k is equal to
2k minus k is equal to
6 minus 1.
yeah 2k minus k is equal to 6 minus 1.
सर मेरे हिसाब से -6 -1 होगा.
सोचो सोचो.
हाँ सर
6 को
-6.
हिला नहीं है ना. We have not changed the position of 6. 6 is kept as it is in the same position.
हाँ सर तो वन
Minus 1 goes on the other side,
-6
will
प्लस
become
1
plus 1.
प्लस 1 प्लस
Will
1
become
प्लस 1
plus 1.
हम्म.
So it is like this k goes on the other side and this minus 1 goes on the other side.
सर
Okay. So k is equal to how much?
7.
Okay. But such an option is not there.
Yes sir.
So have you made some mistake? Think about it.
सर वो तो माइनस.
So here we have made a small mistake. So it should be 2k plus 1. Are you getting it? So this is
Yes sir.
when you cancel and when you wrote, should be 2k plus 1. So this plus 1 when it goes on the other side,
It's
uh,
minus.
so it has become minus 1. So it was minus 1 only. 6 minus 1. And then k is equal to how much? K is equal to
5.
5. So there comes your answer. What is the final answer? Answer is D. And what is the answer? What is the answer? 5.
Sir 5.
Yes. So did you get all these things? How we went ahead with solving these sums?
Yes sir.
Hope it will help you out.